Hi students, today we are starting with chapter number 5 and this is Principles of Inheritance and Variations. Principle of inheritance means when we get characters from our forefathers or from our previous generation, this is known as inheritance. And this inheritance we get from DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which transfers the characteristics from one generation to another. After getting the characteristics in offspring, changes are there and they are known as variations. Now we are starting first topic of the chapter, genetics, the science which deals with the mechanism responsible for similarities and differences in closely related forms is called genetics. As I told you, characters are transferred from one generation to another because of DNA, and this is known as genetics. Heredity. Transfer of characters from one generation to another is called heredity. In heredity, transfer of characteristics will be there, but in genetics, similarities and differences will appear in the offspring. Variation. If offspring resemble their parents, they are never identified. They usually differ among themselves and also from their parents, except identical twins. No two siblings or brothers and sisters, including twins, show close resemblance. Difference among individuals of a species is called variation. As I told you, because of DNA, characters are transferred from one generation to another, and in offspring, changes are there, and these changes are known as variations. Particulate theory of inheritance. According to this theory, every character has at least two alternate forms. Every character in the individual is represented by two distinct particles or factors which are never blended. Usually, one of the two alternate forms of a character express itself more often than other one. From these two characteristics, which is dominating means which is able to express itself, it will appear as a character, and which is not able to express itself, it will suppress. Now, Mendel and Mendelism. Mendel was the scientist who is known as the father of the genetics. Mendel conducted crossbreeding experiments on the garden pea, which is known as Pisum sativum also. He studied inheritance of 7 different pairs of contrasting characters in this plant, but considered only one pair at a time. As you can see on the screen, this is color of flower, this is purple and white, 2 characters, seed color yellow and green, seed shape round or wrinkled, pod color, pod means fali, pod color green or yellow, pod shape smooth or bumpy, smooth means chickeny, and like this wrinkled. Then position of the flower, it is at the mid of the stem. This is terminal flower and it is axial flower, end of the stem, and this is plant height, that is tall or short. These 7 characteristics were studied by the Mendel. Now, what were the reasons for Mendel's success? A combination of foresight, mathematical background, scientific aptitude, and luck was the key of the Mendel's success. Method of working. Mendel studied the inheritance of one character at a time. He carried out experiments to second and third generation. He maintained the statistical records of all the experiments and analyzed them carefully. He selected the parent plant which was genetically pure. Crossing over was done between the parents of pure line having sharply visible contrasting characteristics. He grew pure lines in separated garden plots, preventing chances of their mingling with each other. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.